Stay here so Karina can find you, please.
All right, guys, we are here at Olsons Farms, and we are getting some berries, blackberries, cherries, and maybe a peach, some peaches. We are here with the family, Karina, my 2 grandchildren, and of course Jackie. We actually just got here. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning, and it's still beautiful weather. It's still not hot, so it's just perfect, guys. So we're here to have fun. All right, I'll show you guys what we're doing today. Bye. We're going in a tractor to take us to blueberry picking. Look at this blueberry, guys. Quite a bit. All right, we are now in raspberry area, guys. We're getting some raspberry. We're done with our blueberry.
Okay. Thanks, honey. Put them in. Put them in. Look at these.
That's a lot of raspberry.
Eat a peach,
Ready?
guys.
That's my lunch.
Oh, there's this one too they can pick. I don't know if she can reach it.
Okay, guys, we are now in the peaches trees,
Oh, I
getting
got
some
it.
peaches.
I got it.
Wow.
Whoa, cool.
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 Did you hear what?
Wow, cool. Honey, you gotta get that one. There. That was huge.
Peaches, Millie.
Peaches.
Guys, we are at the cherries right now. We're picking cherries. Look at those.
Look at that.
Wow. Sure, having fun.
Woo! Lots of cherries.
Tons.
So fun to pick.
There's tons.
You can get more than one at a time.
Okay, this tree.
Wait.
Oh, there's some right here. Huh?
I got some up here. I can't hold it much longer.
Wait.
Okay.
I got one big one.
Got it?
Okay.
Woo!
Want me to hold you?
A lot of cherries here, guys. You can actually eat some, and just like me, I didn't have lunch yet, so fruits is my lunch today. It's really awesome.
Coming right?
So good. You can eat all you can and it's free. You just have to pay the one you're putting in a box. So we're about done. We're just gonna go get a ride back to the gate, back to the main door, and then we'll have to pay for our damage. Have to weigh the fruits and see how much it will come up with.
Honey, you're tired.
Hi, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that valley.
It is beautiful.
It's so beautiful. Just beautiful. We're going back, guys. We're done for the day.